Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Mr. Negative from the Spider-Man game on the PS4. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with his eye. So it's just going to be, we can draw in two lines like this first. Short little lines, and then on the corner here we're just going to dip it down slightly. So we're just drawing the shape of the eye. And then we're drawing the eyeball, so we're just gonna keep it simple, just a little half circle. And I'll just fill that in. Alright, so very cartoony. And then we'll draw in his brow. So right in the corner here, we just draw, be kind of a mean brow, so we'll slant it up. Okay, and then on the corner here, just gonna dip it down slightly. And then we'll give this brow some thickness here, so I'm just gonna kind of come up, draw like a little bar. And then on the corner here, just taper it to the corner so it's nice and sharp. Alright, so those are his eyes, and then let's move on to his nose. So on the corner here, on the corner of the eye, just kind of come down. You can draw two little marks like this. And then just a slight angle here for his nose. Alright, so very simple. And then let's come down, and for his mouth here, I'm just gonna draw one line, and then on the side here, I'm gonna slant it down. I'll just kind of give him like a little bit of a mean look. On the corner, just draw two little marks for the corner of the mouth, and then right underneath that, we'll just draw the lower lip. Alright, so now we can draw in the side of the face. So come to the side of the eye here. Just draw in like a bracket. Okay, so that's the width of the face, and we're gonna come down to right about where the mouth is right here. And that's gonna be his jaw, and then we're gonna slant this down, and then just close it off for the chin. All right, and then from here we can actually draw his ear. So around the side here, let's just draw that first. Just kind of come up and let's go back in. And then for the top of his head, it's actually pretty simple. So his hair, we're just gonna slant it inwards. And then we're gonna close this off, top of the forehead. All right, and then here, around this corner, we're gonna slant up. So now we're gonna draw his hair all the way around. So just kind of go up, come around, and have it get around this point here, and just gonna come into the ear. Okay, and then on this side here, we're gonna come down and just come down to the ear. And then to finish off the hair, just add a little bit of detail here, just a couple of strokes like this. Kind of show you the flow of the hair. Okay, so let's move on to the body, and he's wearing a suit, so it makes it a little bit easier. So from the corner here, we're gonna draw his collar, just kind of come down. And then on the side here, we'll come down. So that's gonna be the side of his neck. And then now we just kind of connect these, and that'll give us the collar. And then we can draw in his tie first, so just slant it in and then close it off. So that's gonna be the knot. And then let's just go ahead and draw in the tie. And then however long you draw in the tie, so we're gonna come down to the side here. Just go past the tie. And then we're gonna close this off, so this is gonna be the top of the belt. And then we can add in one section, just come down straight. Add a little rectangle, and that's gonna be his belt. And then we can draw in the belt buckle with two lines like that. Okay, so it's a little bit different. We're drawing the inside of the body first before we're drawing the coat. Okay, so then on the side here, we're gonna draw in the shoulder. We're gonna come out. It's gonna be pretty wide. And then we're gonna slant it in toward this area right here, his waist. Okay, and then we're gonna continue down, just go back out, drawing the coat now. And then we're gonna continue this line here. We're just gonna come down. So his coat is open. And then we'll just close that off with a slight slant. Okay, and then for the details on his coat, just kind of come down here first. Just kind of slant out. And then just go all the way down, pinch it into the side. And then once you have that, just come about here. Just go up and then all the way up. So slant it up and then all the way up. And then let's finish it out. Just add 2 little buttons here. And that's it for his coat. Okay, and then let's draw in the arm. So here's the armpit. Here's the shoulder coming down. And then his bicep, we'll give him a little bit of muscle here. Just a little bit of a bracket. And then right in the corner here, we'll add in just a little bit of folding here for his suit. And then we're gonna continue down. So this is gonna be almost like a straight line. Close it off. And then for the fist, come down, just hook it for his thumb. Back of the fist, just curl it, come back into the thumb. Alright, so let's draw on the other side. So it's gonna be pretty much the same. Here's the armpit. Shoulders coming down. And again, a little bit of bracket here, just a little bit of muscle. And then again, just a little bit of crease there. And then just come down and use this for reference so you know how long. Close it off, and then the fist, slant in, just a little hook. Back of the fist, round it off, and just go back into it. Alright. And then now his legs. His legs are kind of easy because it's just a pants. So we're going to come down in the middle, right around here. Just draw a little line. And then we're going to continue this. Come down. Just angle it in. So we're coming down. Pinch it in. Here's his knee. We're just going to add in a bracket like that. A little bit kind of slanting inward. Okay, so same thing here. Continue that line, angle. And same thing here for his knee. And then lower leg, so we just kind of come out slightly. Pinch in a little bit earlier. And then just kind of come back out. And just kind of hook it, so we're giving him a little bit of fold there. Okay, close it off, and then for his shoes, just come down, and then on this side, just kind of come out a little bit more. Close it off, and then a little bit of sole. Okay, so same thing on the other side. Slant out, come in, angle, come down, angle again. These are just folds, so even though you know yours shapes can be a little bit off, it's okay because it's just folds. Okay, close it off with a slight curve, come down, come out more on this side, close it off. I'm almost running out of space. A little bit so. And then for his pant legs here, just kind of add in a couple of lines like this, but really make it look like folds. Okay, and then on his fisting, he's got these I don't know what it is, but I'm just kind of drawing some lines. Kind of some kind of plasma thing going on. I'm not sure about this character, but I've seen it. It looks pretty cool. Alright, so I'm just gonna draw some of this stuff. And if you don't want to, you don't have to draw this. So if you do, just a bunch of little wavy lines like that. And that is it for Mr. Negative from the Spider-Man game on the PS4. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.